Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, and I'm going to do an unboxing of a FiFine T669 cardioid condenser microphone. And it was $60. It has a frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and it comes with a lot of accessories. Let's do it. A little manual, and on the very top there's a pop filter. Open up the, comes nicely packed. There's a microphone with the connector that connects to the boom arm or a small tripod, and there's a gain control. It's pretty heavy. There's the desk mount. There's the little tripod. There's a shock mount for the microphone. It fits right in there. There's a cable. I don't know how long it is, and this is also another filter. Here's the scissor arm. It opens up, and it's probably going to take about 15 minutes to assemble, so I'll be back. Well, the microphone, it has a singing quality microphone with a good range, so they use it for gaming, streaming, podcasts, and singing. And then after I assemble it, I will be doing some tests, and in the next video I'll do some comparisons with another brand of microphone. I'm about to test the T669 FiFine condenser microphone, studio quality microphone. Right now I'm using my lapel microphone, and I'm going to switch over to the FiFine. I did an unboxing a few days ago. I said I'd be back 15 minutes later, but I wasn't. So here I am a few days later, and I'm going to be testing the microphone. It has an adjustable gain volume, which is on the front. It mounts right on my desk. Right now there's the gain control right over there. I have it set at 10%. When the gain control is set at 0, there's no sound coming out of the microphone. And 10% seems to be the optimum level. So I just wanted to show you what the microphone looked like. There's the stand connected to the desk, scissor arm, boom arm, the shock mount, and it mounts coming down. There's a USB cable that connects to my computer. It's detected as a PNP microphone. Plug and play. Okay, I'm going to be doing the test right now. Right now I'm about 4 inches away from the microphone element. This is the FiFine T669 microphone, condenser microphone, cardioid microphone with the kit, including the scissor arm, boom arm, shock mount, a pop filter, wind filter that can go over the microphone. So right now I'm 4 inches away from the microphone, and the gain knob, which I just showed you, the gain knob is on the microphone in the front, is set at about 10%. Now I'm 6 inches away from the FiFine microphone, and the gain is still set at 10%. And I won't know how it sounds until I play it back. And now I'm about 10 inches away from the microphone, and the gain knob is still set at 10%. That seems to be the right setting if you're going to use this microphone. If you want to get further back, like over here, you probably have to set the gain up a little higher. So I'm going to go listen to it, and I'll come back and tell you how it sounds. Well, I'm still on the FiFine microphone. I'm at about 6 inches. I listened to the audio, and it sounds great. Even sounds pretty good at 10 inches. I'm pretty impressed. I didn't detect any distortion, and it's just working great. When you turn the gain or the volume down to 0, it cuts out the microphone. So I'm very impressed with this microphone. But you know what? I might bring my guitar out and try playing something to see what it sounds like with music. So I'll be right back. Well, I'm going to start by playing a few chords, and let's see what happens. Well, I did tune this guitar, so let's try it. Now I'm going to do a little test of some music called Take the Truth. It's an original song by a friend of mine, David Siegel from Montrose, Colorado. I have permission to play it. I come and go like rivers, leaving little slivers of myself along the way. I wish that you could hear me, but you only fear me and laugh at what I say. I say stop your acting, you know that you're distracting yourself from who you are. All the lies you've had just might make you mad, so take the truth and go. If you like crazy tech, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'm very impressed with this microphone. It's very clear and it's really high quality.